In the vastness of space, there exists a cosmic phenomenon so spectacular and awe-inspiring that it defies imagination. When dead stars, known as neutron stars, collide, it unleashes a cataclysmic event unlike anything else in the universe. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have undergone a supernova explosion. Neutron stars are incredibly dense, with a mass greater than that of our Sun packed into a sphere about the size of a city. When two neutron stars orbit each other, they emit gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of spacetime predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. These gravitational waves carry energy away from the system, causing the neutron stars to spiral closer and closer together. As they finally collide, an explosion of energy is released in the form of gamma-ray bursts, the brightest explosions in the universe. These gamma-ray bursts can be detected by telescopes on Earth and provide valuable insights into the nature of neutron stars and the universe itself. After the collision, the remnants of the neutron stars may form a black hole, or they may merge into a hypermassive neutron star before eventually collapsing. The collision of neutron stars is a cosmic dance that illuminates the mysteries of the universe and reminds us of the incredible forces at play in the cosmos. When dead stars collide, they create a spectacle that echoes through the cosmos, revealing the beauty and complexity of our universe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of space. See you next time.